Okay. I still remember. So visualizing accuracy that we are going to close in few minutes actually. After that, let us start text analytics actually. I mean to say NLP. 29. Oh, sorry. Ayyo. Control Z. Okay. Let's take the replica. 116. Checkpointing, are we done? Okay. I can pick the last example. I will not erase that and I will take the same example and I will continue. These are all steps we done. Let's continue. Fine then. In deep learning, we are creating the models. We are creating what exactly model? When I say creating the models in the sense, nothing but creating a neural network. Creating once you create a neural network, and then you have to compile the neural network. You have to train. Then you will get a prediction. Actually, make a note on this. Back to the session. We are think like we have created a model. Then training data set. The next one is called as a validation data set. Training data set also will specify the accuracy and error, and validation data set, when I say validation, testing data set also, it releases what exactly mean accuracy and loss actually. Now here is the story. Hey Daniel, can I visualize this? Yes, you can do. The training data set, the score, it will be travel like this actually. It will travel like this. Okay. Now the testing data set, I'm sorry, error, it will travel like this actually. I just wanted to visualize. To visualize this one, maybe yesterday I covered these are all things actually. I can walk through very quickly. You can move on. Okay. Yeah, good. Import the required libraries. Loading the data set. Data preparation. Get ready, new points we are going to learn today. X and Y. Splitting the data set, let us make it optional for today. Step number 5, model creation. Step number 5.1. చెప్తారా సార్? Creating layers and adding layers to the model. That's what we done, these are all. Next step, model compilation. Yeah. Next step, model training. Here is the story. Please focus on this. Model training. Till now, when I say training, model dot fit method, and here we need to pass the blah 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 parameters, right? The moment whenever you are calling the model method, backend it is running. Frankly speaking, it is giving some information. It is giving some what exactly? That information, what information? Accuracy and loss, and at the same time iteration value, approaches value. These are all things it is giving. Which iteration and what is accuracy, what is the loss? What iteration, accuracy and loss actually it is giving. Now what we need to do is, let's do one thing. Let us assign the method calling into the variable. Method calling into what exactly? Variable. We can do actually. Daniel, why you are doing? Hold on, I will tell you. Frankly speaking, during training, it is giving the data, right? That data we are storing into Daniel object. Then, Daniel is nothing but a history object. What object? History. So in data frame, there is a history. But anyway, let me call respectively like this. Yeah. Now let us just have to print this Daniel. Let's call this demo 1. Oh, yeah, file is not there. Control C. If you wanted to stop the training in between, you are interrupting actual. So from the keyboard, you are interrupting. Control C. And at the same time, let us just try to access our material. It started. Meanwhile, can I continue? Yeah. Importing the libraries. Whenever it is running, if it is displaying the timestamp, including these are all things, this is called as a log system. What system, man? Log system actually. Yo, it's really horrible. One time, please run it very quickly. This is an issue. Eight GB is not enough, sir. Minimum 16 GB required actually. If I face same issue, I will try to exhibit in Google Colab. Yeah, we are getting warning, I guess. You know how to ignore the warnings actually. Can you help me quickly? Yeah, good. Let's import that. Oh, verbose. It is running. That's still okay. Let us not disturb. It is running. Thank God. How about your laptops? Good. How much GB? 16? 8? Okay. Minimum. When you are working with the data science, minimum. My personal laptop is 16 GB. I used to deliver my sessions personal laptop only. What happened, this projector, every time we need to connect and disconnect, connect and disconnect, connect and disconnect. Motherboard, crashed actually. I cried that day. Why? Because lot of data actually. Then I brought to, I went to hardware shop and I'm able to collect these are all things. That day onwards, I stopped using for sessions at Naresh Shetty, my personal laptop. I told them, bring your laptop actually. This is Naresh Shetty laptop. That's the story behind actually. Otherwise, I asked a remote actual. So with remote, they told expensive. Don't take my money. That's okay. Fine then. I'm sure you have seen history object. What objects are history object? Now please move on actually. Tim, let me tell you, uh, Daniel object. Here, the Daniel is nothing but a history object. History object. This object contains one attribute. Attribute name is called as a history. What is attribute name? Let's do one thing. Let's call this Daniel Chappan sir dot history. Then whenever you are calling this history, yeah, it returns dictionary. It returns what exactly? Dictionary of all key values and all values actually. All keys it represents, all values it represents. All values. What are all keys? Loss, 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 loss. Those are all keys. Values will be loss value, loss value, loss value. Same thing like that. I will show you practically, you will get an idea. Daniel, it would be good. Otherwise, we are not aware either what is going on in the backend actual. Delete verbose. Yeah, good. I need a response from you. What is object name? Coming from Keras. Now here, by using that Daniel, we are calling, any idea what is a history? Attribute. At least it is giving an idea. We are in 50, 61 iteration. Accuracy loss, val accuracy, val loss. These are all accuracies are keys and respect to values. But key should be one key. Yeah. Don't think like, almost these keys it is going to store in a dictionary. No. So that's what it is going to happen. Look at my screen. Yeah. Please, as I told you, accuracy. Don't think like, accuracy, 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 all keys actually. How come it is possible? As per the Python discussion, only one accuracy. First value, first iteration, second iteration, third iteration till 150 iteration. I mean to say 150 values. After accuracy, can you help me? What is the next value, sir? Loss. Somewhere here you can see. ikkada loss untadi. Meer help chestara? Thanks. Let's move on actually. Yeah, loss. What is that one? Loss. Good. After loss, what is the next one? Val accuracy. Same thing like that. Can I ask you a question? Loss, how many values? Nice. You are understanding actually. Now same thing like that. Sir? Very good. Very good actually. Val accuracy. Same thing like that. Val loss. Chappan sir. Here it is actually. Good. Now what we need to do is, let us capture the keys. Let us capture what exactly? Keys. Now that's what we are doing actually. So make a note on this one. Yeah, good. So Daniel.history.keys. Then you will get all keys. You will get all what exactly mean? Keys. Let us capture this. Any idea what I need to change? Did you run this? Then you should know what is the dictionary here. Good. As I told you, accuracy one time, loss one time, val accuracy, val loss. Why accuracy is not printing 150 times? Because unique key. Unique key. These are all keys, man. These are all what exactly? Keys. Good. Now what exactly we need to do, Daniel? The point will be, what is your main motto? First of all, training accuracy, testing accuracy, I want you to plot. I want you to plot training accuracy, testing accuracy. Daniel, why both? Why both, If both are traveling in a right direction, conclusion of the story is model is a good model. If both are not traveling in air, I mean, so the training data is going like this, the testing data going like this, overfitting actually. What is that? What is overfitting? During training, good score. During testing, less score. That's why we need to visualize both accuracy, training accuracy. Next one, testing. Are you clear, madam? You are clear, I guess. Good. Now let's move on. Daniel, how to do that? Very simple, man. List of all history. I mean to say that summarize the history of accuracy. Daniel, visualize training and testing accuracy. Okay, let's visualize. Daniel, how to visualize? Very simple, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm extremely sorry. Do you know about there is a function? Function name is called as a plot actually. What is the function name? What is the purpose of plot? To create a line chart. Instead of history? Nice. Same story. Give a title, model accuracy, x-axis approaches, y-axis accuracy. First, let's create this. We'll see. అసలు ఎలా ఉందో చూద్దాం. Here, sir, anywhere else history instead of history, I need to replace with Daniel. Yeah, we are good to go. Enjoy the output actually. Start the cinema. Cinema started actually. Good. Please observe this. Blue line indicates to training data set. Orange line indicates to testing data set. Almost, so except these spikes, that is okay. Then that is still good actually. The training is, I'm sorry, accuracy is what exactly, sir? Increasing. What is accuracy level? On an average, how much we got it actually? 70? 70 plus we got it. This is the loss. 73. Even in the given diagram, if you closely observe this, if you closely observe here, the value you can see here actually. Kada? That's what you need to be understand. We are good to go. Yeah, Daniel, we done this example. Can I include what exactly? Loss also. Is it okay for you in the same example instead of writing one more example? Daniel, let us move on. Now, visualize. Chaptara, can you help me? Training and testing, loss. Okay. Take the same thing. Instead of this, loss. Good, good. Loss and well loss. Two diagrams you are going to get. Online team, how are you? How is practice going on? Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your nice response. Now fit method, we are assigning into variable. That step is important. That object is a, what is the data type of that object? History. History. History repeats. Telugu cinema dialogue actually, right? Sorry for kidding. Movies are just fun, man, not reality. Oh, what about you? Google Classroom, do you have an access? Share your mail ID, sir. Enough. Share your mail ID now itself. I got a many complaints. I got in the sense over admin actually. Admin is not responding properly. I don't know. Yeah, good. So this one is a training. This one is a training accuracy. The next one, loss. Did you notice? It is traveling like a train track actually. Why? Error never be? Nice. We done this example. Supriya Garu, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, boss. Let me include you. Why? Because you may face issue. Morning onwards, I'm facing this issue. While I'm typing password, it is moving on quickly actually. Please cross verify. Same this one, right? 5:30. Supriya ma'am, please cross verify. What about others online team? Anyone? Is anyone facing the same issue? One of our teammate is facing issue. You have to accept. I mean, mail. Then you are included in the Google Classroom actual. Admin is not responding. Thank you. Thank you. Sravan Kumar Sarji. Fine, then let's move on. Visualize training, so training. Successfully we done this example, sir. Okay. In deep learning, there is a, so in deep learning, there is one topic. The topic will be optimizers. The next one, loss. The next one, activation functions. I will cover this. I will cover. Please be patient. See, along with that, computer vision as well. Computer vision is belongs to deep learning, but I created a separate material for that. I will cover. But on high priority, I need to start a topic. Why? Because which one? Come again? Machine learning, right? I will cover. That is lasso and ridge regression in machine learning. I will cover, sir. During project, I will cover actually. Yeah. So still, I made it like upcoming topic itself. On high priority, I wanted to cover one topic actually. Natural language, natural language, NLP processing. NLP. Introduction. So try to understand. Can you tell me topic name? NLP NLP introduction, natural language processing. If anyone is not aware, I'm repeating. There are couple of topics in deep learning. Along with that, computer vision, RNN, CNN also will cover. But on high priority, we should understand this topic. Why? Because I know the order. Don't worry, I know the order. I never skip any topic actually, as I promised. Daniel, I do have a kind of some numerical data. I do have a kind of some what exactly? Numerical data. Numerical data. Then you can just have to go for machine learning, sir. Go for what exactly? Machine learning. Daniel, I do have a kind of some unstructured, especially audio and video. But let me tell you, text data I do have. What data I do have? Text data. Then we should not use machine learning. You have to use NLP technique. What technique actually? NLP. We need to use NLP. We need to use NLP actually. Daniel, what is the main purpose of NLP? NLP, the full form is, chapter sir, the full form is natural language processing. Natural language processing. One word I can say. By using this, we can do text analytics. By using this, we can do text analytics. Text what exactly mean? Analytics actually. Analytics. ChatGPT backend is using NLP techniques. I'm repeating again. You might aware about the ChatGPT. ChatGPT backend pure NLP techniques. Pure what exactly? NLP technique. NLP. Little focus. Your focus really matters actually. So we used to communicate with natural language. Generally, we can communicate each other by using natural language. Natural language in the sense Telugu, Hindi, English. These are all natural languages. But let us make it like common bridge is English. We may speak each other on daily basis for different purpose. So generally speaking, we are talking each other, communicating each other. It is very easy to speak rather than writing. We are surrounded by the text data. We are surrounded by. You go anywhere, no doubt at all, we are all surrounded with the text data. I'm talking with you. I'm using text data. In a simple way, I can say I'm using string data. I'm using what data? String. In more, I can say text actually. Think about how much text data you are using daily. Signs. What do you mean by sign? Sign or signal. Your best example, there is a traffic police. The signal is not working. Then definitely a police supposed to be stand. If it is a left side, he need to give the sign for left side. Right side, right side. Stop, stop signal, sign or signal. That is, he will simply sign actually. Imagine, sir, traffic police, per day he need to stand from morning to evening. He may not say every time left, 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 gone case actually. That's what he will apply sign. Go back to the left side, right side actually. Menu, go to the restaurant. In restaurant menu, they will display with the text data. They will display with what data? Am I right? Yeah. The next one, email, text data, SMS, text data, web pages, text data. Sir, the list is endless. The list is, you tell me one scenario, definitely text data is being getting involving. Text data, right? Now think about speech actually. Yeah, maybe the same sentences I'm repeating here. Speech. When I'm talking with you, I'm using the text data. Text data, we need to understand more about the text related data. Team, let me tell you. Go back to the machine learning. We have a data frame. We have what exactly, sir? Data frame. Data frame having missing value. Data frame having What we need to do? We need to handle the missing value by calling so and so method. What is the method name? Drop NA. First we need to cross verify is NA. Then how to handle actually drop NA. Next one fill NA. Next one replace. Same thing like that. How numerical data having the handling technique, text data also having the handling technique. Text data also having what exactly? Handling technique. We need to understand. We need to understand more about the text related data. Okay, fine. This text data also having the separate methodologies to analyze the data. This text data also having what exactly mean? Separate methodologies. Best example, when I'm talking with you, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening, you are analyzing. Then automatically your brain will get the signal, Daniel is wishing. Daniel is what exactly? You are understanding. Same thing like that, whenever you are saying chat GPT, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Yeah, see, this one was slow. Please chat GPT. Thank God here we got a result. See, good evening. How can I help you today actually? See, the text data what you are giving, it analyze and it is replying. It is analyzed and what exactly backend it is using NLP technique. What technique? NLP technique actually. Natural language processing. The short name for natural language processing is NLP. Sir, NLP is the way of computers. Chappan sir, what is the first one? Analyze the text data. Next one, understand. The next one, derive the meaning. One more time, can you talk with me? What is the first one? Analyze, understand, derive the meaning from human languages such as English, Spanish, Hindi, these are all. With NLP, machine learning algorithms can be applied to what exactly, sir? Speech and text actually. Can I tell you? I will show you one real world example. You will get an idea. Amazon is using NLP to analyze, understand, derive the meaning of text data. Text data actually. A real-time example. Good. Can I ask you a question one more time? Amazon is using NLP. Chapman sir, what is the first one? What is the purpose? Analyze next one. Understand and derive the meaning of text data. Let me talk with you practically. Imagine I'm planning to buy a mobile, sir. Planning to buy mobile. To buy what exactly? Mobile. It's okay. I'm planning to buy a mobile. Then if you wanted to planning to buy a mobile, my budget will be 10,000. Think like that, 10K. I never waste money just for simply, okay. High budget mobiles not required. 10K. 10K is my budget actually. Or else 15K. That is still okay. Generally, if you wanted to buy a mobile, what is the notation? Are you buying immediately nowadays actually? No. So we'll give some buffer time space. Go to the Amazon, go to the Flipkart. I don't know other websites. What we need to do? Search for the mobile and check the reviews. Check what exactly? Reviews. Now hold on. Open Amazon. Check mobiles. Then, so where there is a good rating, can we buy bad rating mobile? Never. We never touch actually. We never touch. So good rating mobile. Yes, of course my budget is 10K, but even 1000 also. Even what exactly 1000? Sir, our coin matters actually. Good rating mobile we can buy actually. We can what exactly buy. Now, can I tell you one small scenario? Here is a story. Think like there is a Samsung M07 model. M07 model. Think like that. This mobile having on an average 20 reviews. How many reviews, man? 20 reviews. Though I can walk through, I can read actually. I can what exactly, sir? Read. Then if I feel really good actually, I can buy. I can what exactly buy. Listen carefully. There is a mobile I have opened. How many reviews? 20 reviews. Though 20 review 1, review 2, review 3, just 20, right? I can spend some 15 to 20 minutes. Otherwise 20 to 30 minutes. I can walk through. If I like, I will buy. Otherwise, I can walk through other mobile. Here, reviews matter. What matter? Nowadays, people, instead of mobile, they are believing the reviews. They are believing. Actual business is happening through reviews actually. Now here Amazon is, deployed one NLP model actually. Think like there is a mobile M07, sir, model having, sir, on an average 60,000 reviews. Think like this. How many reviews? Chappali. How many? Here is the story. Previously, how many? 20. But now how many? 20. Can I read actually? Yeah, happily. What about 60K? No, gone case actually. Very good, sir. Gone case. Like, we cannot read actually. Even if you are interested to read, high level, like, so 5 rating, 4 rating, like the, here Amazon deployed AI. Amazon have deployed NLP technique actually. Okay. Here Amazon deployed what exactly, sir? NLP technique actually. NLP techniques. Okay. NLP technique. Are you aware about this one? So instead of you need to read, NLP technique will already read. It will walk through all 60,000 reviews. It will give 2 to 3 lines actually. Sir, based on customer review. Can I show you that? I'm not sure either you know or not. నాకు తెలీదు మీకు ఐడియా ఉందో లేదనేది. Samsung below 50,000. 15,000. Good. How many reviews? 249. We'll do one thing. I need less small rating, so very less rating actual. Oh my God, 1,000 reviews. It's okay. Let us walk through one mobile. Almost 200 plus reviews. I will tell you why I'm searching for specific reviews. Which one? Ekkada 4, 10,000 paina, sir. Very good, very good. Open this. Sir, how many reviews? I will tell you why specifically I'm taking reviews actually. Look at this one. And here, click on these 4 reviews. And though just 4, right? You can read actually. You can read. Here, are you able to see top reviews from India? Are you able to see anything above actually? No. Review number 1, review number 2, review number 3, and review number 4. Like this, all reviews you can read actually. Please, I don't have a time. It is asking to log in actually. Did you understand? Now look at my screen. Go back. And here, let us walk through. Ekkada sir, 1,000 reviews ekkada unnai? 2,000 reviews. Click on this. 2,000 reviews, too difficult to read actually. Then what happened, click on these reviews. Yeah, this is what you need to be understand. This is what means backend they are applying NLP technique actually. Reading 2,000 reviews too difficult actually. Then Amazon deployed NLP technique. Now AI generated from the text of customer reviews. AI generated. AI program, NLP program, try to read all 2,000 reviews. It will give in one shot actually. What is that one, sir? According to that one, customers used to say agent. Customers praise the phone, build quality. Okay, good. So people are praising the mobile actually, right? The next one will be with 1 nothing. Can I ask a question? Why for 4 rating this is not available? ikkada enduku ledu cheppandi. Very good, sir. Less data. What is that? Less data. Can you talk with me why here it is actually? Yeah, data science, where there is a more data, data science required. Where you are having less data science required. Our brain is enough. Our brain is enough actually. Did you understand? That's what you need to be, right? Online team, are you following, sir? check the reviews with heading actually. What is the so-called heading, you know? So by reading the review, how you are getting actually, sir, NLP technique, analyze the text data. 2000 reviews, it is analyzed actually. The next one, understand. The next one, derive the meaning. Now it is started suggesting meaning from human language such as English, Spanish, and text Hindi. Any language. There is no barrier nowadays actually. It is reading any language. With NLP, machine learning algorithms can be applied to the speech and text actually. All NLP techniques also, back end we can also call as a ML algorithms. That is still okay actually. Sir, NLP popularity is rising every day. Day by day, we are getting a more text data. We are getting what data, man? Everyday text data. Then automatically NLP, the popularity is increasing. As the popularity of NLP is rising every day. With NLP, computer can understand the human language while speaking. Take a robo. When you are saying hello, best example, take a chat GPT. Chat GPT. You know, it is understanding human language. It is understanding. With NLP, a computer can understand the human language while speaking. Take a robo. When you are saying hi, it will say hi. By using big data, we can make communication in between what exactly is human and what exactly machine actual. By using big data, we can make communication in between the human and machine actually. With NLP, an intelligent system such as a robo can perform according to our instruction issued in a plain language English actually. Best example, with NLP technique, you can let us take a Siri app, Siri or Alexa. Are you with me or not, sir? Those are all devices. In that devices, NLP techniques are deployed actually. It's well trained. Imagine if human is asking anything, it will respond actually. It will respond, right? Yeah, boss, you're right. You're right actually. Word cloud. Maybe that is NLP topic. That is NLP topic. But anyway, this one during data visualization I covered actually. We'll repeat one more time. We'll repeat one more time. There are mainly two components in NLP. So generally speaking, while I'm talking, there are 2 points are important. First one is a syntax. What is the first one? Syntax. Something like a grammar. Something like a grammar. Second one will be semantic analysis. What is the next one? Semantic analysis. I will talk with you. Syntax. It explains about the arrangement of words. I'm sorry, the NLP material. I have used less font, I guess, actually. That's what I'm just trying to making bigger letter. Okay, sorry. There are mainly two components, Daniel. Okay, first one is a syntax. Syntax explains about the arrangement of words in a sentence and grammar. Okay. Best example in the sentence, how the word arrangement, how the grammar, these are all really important actually. NLP makes use of syntax to analyze get the meaning from language depending on grammatical rules actually. Best example, whenever you're asking ChatGPT, you have to ask in a proper way. You have to apply grammar. You have to apply word right. Yeah, right. Best example, prompting. If it is the right prompt, it will give answer like anything actually. Right. Some syntax techniques that are used for including parsing. The next one, reading. Parsing means nothing but reading. Word segmentation. Chappan sir, what is that? Word segmentation. I can talk actually. The next one, sentence breaking. Best example, if you have given one paragraph, it will apply that tokenization, sentence tokenization. First sentence, second sentence, third sentence, it will understand. The next one, so morphological segmentation and stemming actually. Stemming and this one not important, sir. Not important. While you are vocal, kind of some vocal in the sense, how you're talking, it will recognize actually. Stemming, the next topic is the lemmatization. We'll see. These are all. Can you talk with me? What is the first one? Syntax. Next one, semantic analysis. Daniel, what do you mean by semantic analysis? Semantic is associated with use and meaning of various words. First one, grammar and order of words, man. First one, grammar and order of words. Second one, meaning of word. What you are talking, that meaning it will understand. Then only you will get a right response actually. It takes care about this. In NLP, algorithms are used to analyze and determine the meaning structure of sentence actually. Some NLP techniques used for semantics and including word understanding. Sir, this topic is important. Damn sure enter a question. NER. One more time. NER. What do you mean by NER? You know, named entity recognition. One more time. Named entity recognition. Daniel, what do you mean by that? Let us take a newspaper. Go to the politics news. Definitely politician names. Politician names, MLA name, MP name, CM name, PM name, these are all. That is called as a named entity recognition. Named entity detection, named entity recognition. Go to the sports page, player names, NER. Go to the Amazon, product names, NER. Go to the car showroom, car names, NER. Go to the country, company names, NER. I'm sorry, we do have a separate discussion. Company names, right? Sir, let me tell you, NLP backend, it will use deep learning. It will use, that's what, after, I know the order, I'm sorry. After deep learning, generally I supposed to discuss about the NLP. Deep learning importance. Most of the current approaches NLP using what exactly, sir? Yeah, they are using the deep learning in the backend. Deep learning is the type of AI. Yeah, AI that relies on patterns in the data, improve the understanding of the program. Deep learning models usually requires huge amount of the label data. I hope you already know. We need to train and we need to identify the correlation in between the data and elements actually. Cool. Important info. To write a program, we need to install Python. To do the data analysis, we need to install pandas. To do the data visualization, matplotlib, Seaborn actual. To do the machine learning, to do the deep learning, to do the text analytics or NLP, text analytics. The library name is NLTK. What is the library name? This one is a basic library. Advanced library is called as a Spacey. Advanced. I'm going to discuss both actually. One more library also, Hugging Face. Hugging Face actually. Hugging Face. Both, these three libraries are important. Third one I will cover during Gen AI. But as of now, I'm covering both NLTK and what exactly. It's Spacey but not spicy actual. Library name is a Spacey. Very, very important. But let me tell you, if you understand NLTK, then only you can understand Spacey. Otherwise, gone case. You cannot understand actually, right? Please. Daniel, how to install NLTK? What do you mean by NLTK? NLTK means Natural Language Toolkit. TK means what exactly, sir? Toolkit. Come on. Do you wanted to work with NLP actually? Can I install? Oh, not there. Then let me install. Daniel, why not available? Admin, he formatted the system. Every day, just for fun, they will practice in this laptop actually, how to format these are all. Good. Nice man. Successful installed NLTK actually. Come on. It is Python module to work with the NLP. It is an open source library. Sir, this is the added advantage, man. In data science, let me tell you, 100 to 100% libraries are open source. Then only companies will use actually. If they made it like a paid source, yeah. So they need to pay the money to install this library. Pip install NLTK actually. Online team, come and try to install this. It should work in every one of your laptop actually. Online team, are you following, sir? Yeah, good. Theory over. We are going to start the cinema. Theory is over actually. Generally, mostly I will walk through very quickly theory. I like examples. Why? Because if you are really programmer, if you are really a programmer, talk with example. Talk with what exactly? Example actually. Let's start the cinema. The topic name is called as a text triangling and cleaning. Yeah, we do have a text data. So we need to understand how to clean the text data and how to process the text data. The ultimate goal of doing the text processing is computer can understand the text data. So best example, imagine, let's take Amazon. Amazon, there is a computer, NLP model. Now that NLP model is understanding what you're talking in the sense, best example, it's supposed to, the model is already trained with the processor data. The model is already trained with what data? Processor data. Okay, cool. So the ultimate goal of doing the text processing is machine can understand the text data. Text processing is very important as it helps to understand our data. Can I tell you? Let us take a Alexa. Alexa, can you switch on, bedroom light actually? Bedroom what exactly? Light. Yes, it will do the task actually. Why? Because the phrase how you are telling Alexa, can you switch on what exactly? Bedroom light. It will do. This one is the right one. This one is what exactly, sir? Right sentence actually. Right sentence. Okay. What is the wrong sentence? The wrong sentence will be, hello. Yeah, this one is a wrong sentence. Even you don't know, are you reading actually? Yeah. So best example, whenever you're pronouncing the symbol, at the rate symbol, hash symbol, ASDF actually. This we need to process the text data. This we need to process what exactly? From this one, what is the right word actually? Talk with me, only hello. All other words are not important words actually. Text processing is very important as it helps to understand our data better and gain insights from it actually. Text processing normally involves the following steps. Sir, cinema started actually. First topic, ChatGPT will apply this topic actually. Tokenization. What is the first topic? Tokenization. Next one. Next one, stemming. The order is I know very well. The next one, stemming. Next one, lemmatization. It's not lemon water actually. It's a lemmatization. What is the last one? Stop word removal. These are all important steps, man. Steps in NLTK. These are all important steps. Steps in text processing. Text analytics actually. Daniel, what is the first one? Load the text data. The next one, tokenization. Apply tokenization. There are two types of tokenization. The first one is a word tokenization. The next one is a sentence tokenization. I can talk more later actually. Stemming. I know the order, please. Lemmatization. Fifth one, stop word removal. చెప్తారా అందరూ? One more time. Load the text data. Next one, tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, stop word. Step by step you are working, sir. Let's start an example. Let's start an example. Yeah. Yeah, important. Get ready to understand. Man, here is the story. Once you installed NLTK, then there is one model you have to download in your system. There is one model. That model name is called as a PUNKT. Punctuation related model actually. NLTK.download. So simple. Can I tell you one small point? I will tell you one small thing. What happened, this is my story. My story. I still remember I was in 4th standard. I got gift. I got, one prize from my master. Subbarao sir actually. Why I'm telling this one? Hold on. Dictionary I got it. English dictionary. English what exactly? Dictionary. Think like that one is called as a, I got Shankar Narayana's dictionary. Shankar Narayana's dictionary. Dictionary. Sir, those days on an average 200 words actually. How many words sir chaptara? 200 words. I'm talk with me. When I was small, kind of some knicker I used to wear actually. I was a small kid those days. Are you with me or not, sir? But let me tell you, today, do you think this is having only 2 words actually? It's updated. Are you with me or not, sir? Let us take the same dictionary. Sir, if you want, let me talk Oxford dictionary. Why? Because you are thinking Sankarnara dictionary, is it available? It is available. That's what I'm telling. Right. Think like this one is a 200 words those days. Sir, but it is updated actually. As per updated version, as per what exactly? Updated version, it may contain 2000 words actually. Updated. Now same thing like that. Once you downloaded NLTK, imagine if any updates are happen, you need to download actually. Then whenever you are running this command, it will tell package is up to date boss. You can proceed for work actually. Are you with me? Before working with NLTK, please confirm your library is up to date or not actually. There might here and there some changes are happening. We need to cross verify, right? Now let us run this. Not only this library, only this library. We can do, sir. Anywhere we can do. All these examples, everywhere we can do actually. Collab also by default library is having. Let us start cinema. NLTK package. NLTK dot download PUNKT. I have a question for you. What is download? Function. What is a download? Function. Best example, import pandas. Pandas dot read underscore CSV. Pandas dot what exactly? By this time you should be master in that area. ఈ పాటికి మీరు ఆ ఏరియాలో మాస్టర్ అయి ఉండాలి యాక్చువల్గా. ప్యాకేజ్ నేమ్తో దేనన్నా కాల్ చేస్తున్నాము, దానికి పారాంథసిస్ ఉందంటే అది ఫంక్షన్, దట్స్ ఇట్. నో డౌట్ ఇన్ దట్. ఇంకా స్టిల్ ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ కీపింగ్ బ్లాంక్ ఫేస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. అయ్యో గుడ్ క్యాచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. లెట్స్ రీడ్ దిస్. Please be patient. See. Very good. Oh, downloading package. Let us run one more time. First time it is unzipping and extracting. Very good. Sir, now it is up to date actually. First time you have to run this example. Yeah. Are you ready? Now you have to proceed. NLTK is downloaded in your system. Now, sir, it was extracted. It was what exactly, man? Extracted. Kind of some tokenizer. There are some models. Don't worry about these are all. Now here onwards, yes, up to date. Here onwards, what exactly? Up to date. Run this example any number of times. Up to date actually. Can I continue? First example. Daniel, what is the purpose of this? Yeah. Sir, cinema started. First topic name is called as a sentence splitting. What is the first topic name? Sentence splitting actually. Sentence splitting. Can I talk with you? Instead of sentence splitting, I will tell you one by one. I will talk with you. There is a topic. The topic name is called as a tokenization. What is the topic name, sir? Tokenization. What do you mean by tokenization? First of all, tokenizations are two types, man. Tokenizations are two types. The first one is called as a word tokenization. Chapter, sir, what is the first one? Word tokenization. The next one is called as a sentence tokenization. What is the next one? Sentence tokenization. Sentence tokenization. Now let me tell you what tokenization anyway I can cover. Sentence splitting or sentence tokenization, both are same. Both are same. We'll do one thing. This is hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. How are you doing? Dot symbol. This is Mr. Daniel from Naresh IT. And I used to teach data science. Good. Think like there is a paragraph, sir. Chapane, there is a? Okay. There is a paragraph. Sir, this is the data, text data actually. Now, first topic what we need to understand is, you need to apply sentence tokenization. What do you mean by tokenization? You know, where exactly full stop is available, take that one. These are all token number 1. Token number 2. Okay. Token number 2. The next one. Token number 3. Next one. Token number 4. Can you help me? How many tokens? 4 tokens. Here token is nothing but a sentence. Sir, how many sentences? 4 sentences, right? So, you know, split paragraphs into sentences is called as sentence tokenization. Chappan sir, sentence tokenization. That's what you need to be understand. Then here, 4 sentences. Nothing but 4 tokens. Are you clear? What tokenization I can talk later. A simple man. Imagine there is a paragraph. 10 sentences means 10 tokens. 10 sentences means what exactly? 10 tokens. Let's continue. Quite interesting. This is quite interesting. I will continue. Sir, please. Imagine there is a paragraph. Okay, Daniel. I need to apply sentence tokenization. I need to apply what exactly? Sentence tokenization. I mean to say sentence splitting. Sir, you know, we can do by using Python. We can do by using we can do by using Python, and we can do by using NLTK also. We can do by using what exactly? NLTK also. Let me tell you both scenarios. You will get a nice clarity. Back to the session. Sentence tokenization we can apply by using Python. The next one by using NLTK. Now think logically. There is I have a one paragraph. In that paragraph, we have a group of sentences. I just wanted to split the sentences. How to do actually in Python? Very good. There is a method. Method name is called as a split method. What method? Split method. But let me tell you today, split method, it will close the eyes actually. Blindly it will work. I will show you today practically. It will tie with the one ribbon, and where are all dot is available, it cut the string and it will be displayed. Let me show you. There is one small problem actually. Sentence tokenization by using Python. Chappan sir, by using Python actually. By using Python. Good. We'll do one thing. Let's take the same sentence. Good. So let us just have to create a text actually. You can just have to create a string. All right. Yeah, good. Now print. Text you can print. Now, can you help me? Result equals to Chappan sir. Text dot split of what I need to apply? Dot. But anyway, by default space. By default, what exactly, sir? Space. But I don't want space actually. You know, if you're not applying anything, sir, I hope you already know. By default space. Please don't ask actually. We already covered this. I don't want space. I need the dot notation. What notation? Dot notation. Now, here is a one small catch you have to be understand. There is one small serious problem here actually. What is a serious problem, you know? Split method, it will start, you know, searching the string. Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, dot. One sentence, accepted. How are you doing? Second sentence. Talk with me. This is Mr. What happened, sir? Split method, close the eyes. Do you think that is a sentence? No, Mr. Daniel, Miss Kusma Garu, that is not a sentence actually. But split method, it will tell that is a sentence actually. Let me show you output. Then there is a problem with the, string. Yeah, please make a note on this one. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Yeah, what happened, sir? This is Mr. It is breaking actually. Then to overcome this problem, NLTK topic came actually. Conclusion of the story, text means string only. But string having basic methods, sir. Of course, split having its own advantages. I'm not talking about those things actually. To split the string in Python, you can do split method. You can do what exactly? But, so Mr. That is not a sentence. It is misleading us actually. It is what exactly, man? Are you with me? Did you understand? Right. Take this example. Sir, now talk with me. What is the next one? Sentence tokenization by using Chapan sir, NLTK. Here is the story. Here is the story. Very simple. Very simple. I have one small question for you. Get ready to understand. Can somebody talk with me? What is this? Function. So very confidently you have to say. How can you say it is a function? All or lowercase? All or what exactly? Lowercase, right? From NLTK tokenize sentence actual. So simple. What we need to do is you can just have to pass this one, and here for this function we have to pass actually function calling. You are assigning into variable means that's the power of Python actually. New topic, but backend is the Python. That's the beauty with the Python. Of course, sent underscore Chapan sir, what is the function? Sent underscore tokenize, which is the function. Function calling, you are assigning into what exactly? Variable. Please compare the result. Please compare the result actually. Okay, let us run. It is analyzing. Hello, good evening everyone, and how are you? Oh, sorry sir. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let us apply. Let us apply. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for this. Space matters. Did you notice? Sentence number 1. Sentence number 2. Sir, conclusion of the story, sent underscore tokenization function. It is having very intelligent technique actually. It is recognizing Mr. Daniel is not a sentence close actually. It is not a end of the sentence. Did you understand? Right. Take this point. We can talk. Why space matters here? If you want here, you can apply. Right. So one more time. Split off. We can just have to go back here. Dot actually. Yes, sir. Text method. Right. Take this one. Take this one, boss. Now here you can apply. Call this function. Pass function name, pass, kind of some parameter text actually. Now try to analyze. Take this one. You can apply here. Compare the both output, you will get a more clarity. Yeah, nice. Fine, then we are running out of the time actually. So I will continue tomorrow. It is more interesting. Text analytics will be very, very interesting. Don't miss tomorrow's session. We done today's session. Thank you, please. Yeah, yeah. sir.